Right, we both just bought this heap of crap from Amazon. I put some flour down here. I'm going to show you what doesn't happen when it goes over it. You have to force it over it as well, because it does that and goes backwards. Right, force it straight over the middle, really slowly. And oh look, all the flour's still there. Let's have a look and see if it's actually picked any up. So this is where it goes in.
Put that on YouTube.
Might be some crumbs. And it's picked up a breadcrumb and a bit of dust. Hasn't picked up any of the flour at all, because it's all still on my floor.